Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add soft edge effect to image in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add soft edge effect to an image in this document. Firstly we insert our image in this document. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture from our file. Now I choose this picture and click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture on this document very easily. Now we click the picture and resize this picture some small. Then click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click picture effect option and choose soft edge. Then select any soft edge like 15 point or 25 point or 10 point, etc. Now I select the 15 point and we can see here we added soft edge effect to an image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.